Okay, talking CBC. Bunch of freaks you brought with you. A batch of freaks.
Yeah.
Okay. How many guys did you guys bring from, it's 14 guys on a squad. How many did you guys bring?
We brung 7. We had, I think, 3 more get in, but we had a couple injuries, and so they couldn't come. So, but we're here.
Shannon at 170.
Shannon at 170 places. Josh Saunders, 132 places. And Savion Severado, Junior World Greco silver medalist. He's in the finals, and Malik Johnson is in the finals.
Malik Johnson knocked off
Bo Bartlett.
Bo Bartlett in a crazy match.
Crazy match,
right? So when we look at this, a lot of this is the toughest tournament in the country.
Toughest tournament in the country, hands down.
And you guys come right out. This is the opening week of most high schools seasons, and you come in, you put 4 guys on the podium, 2 in the finals. Doesn't normally go like that, Coach. What would you credit? You guys are first of all, what's the full name of CBC?
Christian Brothers College Preparatory High School. So good place to get an education.
And it's in St. Louis.
It's in St. Louis, Missouri.
And listen, St. Louis is not known for, besides hosting NCAAs, it's not
nice
like
place.
the hotbed of wrestling, right?
No, it's not. But Missouri's tough. We're tough.
Yeah,
so,
and obviously Mizzou, they're coming up, and your state high school wrestling is getting a lot better. But when you come here and your guys just wrestle and are punching dudes in the nose,
I love it.
What do you say to them?
Just keep competing. That's kind of how our room is. A lot of stuff did get exposed here, like our conditioning and wrestling a tough match after match after match. And but we loved it. I definitely love Corey for getting us here, and man, it's just an awesome tournament. I want to come back every year.
Looking at the big win over Bartlett, it's probably one of the biggest wins in your guys' program history for just a wrestler. I mean, beating a guy like that. I mean, you guys got guys who can flat out win the Ironman. Okay, coming from kind of like almost CBC, which is not known for wrestling per se. When you bring them here, what do you think when these heads are getting turned? I'm asking you for interview. Something's getting done right. What do you think when you guys are turning heads like that in the country?
I don't want to sound too confident, but our guy, Savion Severado, is a junior silver medalist, so he's been on a big platform. Malik Johnson is a Greco Fargo national champ. Savion plays at Fargo every year. DJ has been in the Super 32 finals. Josh places at everything, won Fargo. So we're used to the big stage. I think they all have been well schooled for that, and they all had great Little League careers. So we're kind of this is what we do. We come in, we play music, we hang out, and we enjoy being at a tournament. It's a party. So
you like it when people sleep on you. People are sleeping on you guys a little bit, man.
Yeah, I do like people
I'm not now. I'm going to tell you that right now.
I do.
People sleep.
It's you have to really kind of be watching because we're almost not at the top, but there. But I think since this tournament, hopefully, with the Ironman, people will recognize that my kids got skills.
So, looking at it, you guys got your schedule the rest of the year. This is tougher than anybody's state tournament. We all know that. Tougher than California, PA, Ohio, Jersey. We all know it's the toughest tournament, right? Where do you go from here? And do you beef the schedule up, or is it made? What do you do?
Well, we go to KCI next weekend, a tough tournament in Kansas City, Missouri. It's not as tough as this, of course, but it's still a grind. And then we have a local tournament in Granite City after that, a week and a half after that, which is a tough local tournament in Illinois. So, I mean, we're in the grind, full phase. So after this,
can you guys win the state? Can you win the state championship?
It's gonna be a battle. Park Hill High School is definitely one of the best high schools. Tradition is on their side. Tradition's not on our side. So it's gonna be a battle. So hopefully my kids are ready to roll.
Could we see you guys jump into some of these top 50, top 25 rankings? Are you guys ready? You think you're there?
Josh Lowe has us ranked 24. So I think we're there. We need more. A little bit more weapons or more role players. I have another kid, Kyle Pruitt, who went, I want to say 6-2, 1 match away from placing. If he places, then it's a great day.
Wow.
So, yeah.
That's incredible. Why you wearing a WVU hat? I got to call you on that.
Yeah, call me out on that. DJ Shannon is signed to West Virginia with Sammy Henson, and Sammy Henson's the man. And, I'm just representing for DJ. You love my kids, I'm going to love you. So. Simple as that.
Coach, I'm so excited to watch your guys tonight in their placement matches and then also in your 2 finals. You got anything else for me?
Nope, just Extreme Training. Check out our club guys, Extreme Train, CBC Wrestling, and go Cadets, CBC.
Christian Brothers College High School.
Oh, yeah.
Is that the full name?
Christian Brothers College High School, man. It's a good private school. We got some youngsters, too, so next year, hopefully, we'll be back ready to roll as well.
All right, Coach. Good luck tonight in the finals.
Thank you for the interview.